Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Cold Lake Chrysler, just here to show you this 2024 Jeep Compass Trailhawk that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today, just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this Trailhawk is fairly well equipped. As we come around towards the back of the unit here, you can see you do have your rear park sensors, so those sensors across that back bumper. Of course your backup camera equipped back there, as well as a power lift gate. So you can see the space in the back here. Plenty of room to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. You also do have your spare tire tucked in underneath and kind of like a little bit more storage space in there as well. Again, just your power lift gate. Now if you're looking for a little bit more storage space, those second row seats do fold down as well when they are not needed. Checking out some of the features inside. So back seat, you do have your floor mats included, both front and back, so a great little accessory included for you there. You also do have some USB port hookups just equipped in the back. Taking a peek up front. So you do have your touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in here. So access, as you can see, to your climate control options in through there. Dual climate control is equipped. All of your media controls, Bluetooth capabilities, apps, and settings. So everything easily kind of accessible in through your touchscreen. Just below your touchscreen, again, access to all of your kind of basic audio media controls, climate control options, USB port hookups just down and below there. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob for the Jeep right here. Remote start is included, so again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mount controls, all of your cruise control options, Bluetooth capabilities, audio media controls in behind the steering wheel. All of your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, this Jeep does have 24,577 kilometers currently on it. So that's just a quick look at this 2024 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-594-2277.